Bitcoin, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And as we can see, if we refer to our analysis, since the price was here, we mentioned we're looking for the reversal, and there was no trade setup for buy, and this is what we get. Still, we are within this down move, all right? And that's when we're looking for the reversal, but at this point, we don't have any trade setup. Anyway, even since we get this one following by this correction, the best things is if the price can drop and if the price can at least break 55,500. All right, this is what we can expect. Whenever we see this kind of the correction, the possibility for the prices to drop is very high. By the way, we don't have any trade setup at this point, and you want to know what we have been looking for. And if we move to daily chart, as we mentioned in our analysis, we mentioned how deep it can go. We mentioned with the breakout of 54,800, we can expect the price even drop to 51,500. But we mentioned we're looking for the reversal. And if we get that's why we mentioned if we get any opportunity for buy within this range based on lower time frame, we will take it. And the breakout of the 67,500 is really important for us, because with the breakout of the 67,500, we can look for 74 and 81K. All right. By the way, from what we can see here, still we can expect the price to consolidate here for longer time before we get the reversal. All right, that's why if we get any opportunity for buy from now, we'll take it and we try to consider as a short-term trade. In case if it's not moving our direction and if it is not the reversal we're looking for, at least we should know how to manage it. All right, but based on daily chart, we don't see any trades, any reversal. And if we move to forward chart, we mentioned we had the divergence. All right, that's why if we mentioned if we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it. And the breakout of the 61K, this is what we have been looking for. But from what we can see here, there is no trade setup. But any trade for buy within this range, we will take it. It doesn't mean the price cannot drop some more. Even we can look for extension as what I explained based on daily chart. All right. Even if the price drops some more, it can give us better confirmation following by divergence for the reversal. The only things I want to highlight here, any trade for buy within this range, as long as the price haven't break 61K, we will take it. And we need to see the breakout of the 61. And as I mentioned, based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup. And even if we move to 1 hour chart, we don't have any trade setup. And since we get this sharp move flowing by this one, the next drop, as long as the price retests this low, any reversal, this is what we can look for. This is what we prefer. All right. But it doesn't mean the price cannot reverse from here. If the price reverse from here, the only option is to look for the reversal, to look for trade as a short move, like we take the trade, or we put our entry above here, which is somewhere around 58K. But we prefer this one to drop before we get the reversal. It doesn't matter which way, this is the best. Any reversal, any opportunity for buy, we will take it within this range. But at this point, we don't have any trade setup to look for buy. All right. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.